Ready to dominate the Call of Duty Mobile battlefield with awesome skins and the Battle Pass, using that Apple gift card burning a hole in your pocket. First, locate the 16-digit code printed on the back of your Apple gift card. You might need to gently scratch off a protective layer. Next, open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. It's the blue icon with the white made of popsicle sticks. Now tap your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the App Store screen. From the menu that appears, select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either use your device's camera to scan the code or tap Use Code manually and enter the 16-digit code from your gift card. Once you enter the code, your Apple ID balance will be updated with the gift card's value. This balance is what you'll use for purchases within COD Mobile. Now, launch Call of Duty Mobile and head to the in-game store. Select the item you want to purchase, like the Battle Pass or those special crates with awesome skins. When you go to pay, the game will use your Apple ID balance. First, confirm the purchase, and the items are yours. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your new in-game gear and dominate the competition, thanks to your Apple gift card.